Hi there. Welcome to the Peter Lynch universe. This is a group of 35 stocks that have been screened by YCharts for Peter Lynch-like qualities. So they're looking for small cap stocks with low PEG ratios, reasonable debt to equity ratios, and something of a dividend. And they come up with a group of 35 stocks. I've done a few videos on a few of these other ones in this list, but right now I'm going to be looking at Mesabi Trust. The ticker symbol is MSB. Keep in mind, I don't know a lot about these companies. I just kind of think of them as more of a jumping off point for investment ideas. So if you're thinking about investing in these things, make sure you do some due diligence. Anyways, let's take a look at Mesabi Trust. YCharts gives its a rating attractive. It has a value score of 9 out of 10, fundamental score of 9 out of 10, an evaluation historical multiple of 14.37%. It's positive. The profile. Mesabi Trust operates as a royalty trust in the United States. The company involves in the conservation and protection of the assets held. Its principally wholly owned segment is an iron ore mining segment, and it generates income from the Peter Mitchell Mine, an iron mine located near Babbitt, Minnesota, at the eastern end of the Mesabi Iron Range. The principal assets of the firm consists of two different interests in certain properties in the Mesabi Iron Range and beneficial interest in the Mesabi Land Trust. So it's located in New York. Sector is basic materials, industry steel. Has a market cap of just over 285 million. The forward dividend yield is 23.22%. Revenue 5-year growth is 45.49%. Revenue quarterly year-over-year growth doesn't seem to exist. EPS diluted 5-year growth 47.76%. EPS diluted quarterly year-over-year growth, again, there's nothing there. Nothing with the debt to equity. Return on equity is nothing there. PE says is 11. Let's take a look at the key stats. No revenue to speak of. Net income quarterly, it's negative. Doesn't sound like this company is doing too hot right now. Long-term debt. Absence of long-term debt. Okay, this is 0. It has some free cash flow. 34.9 million. Shares outstanding. It's about the same. Does it have a PEG ratio? No, not a lot of information about this. I was kind of actually peeking at this a little bit earlier, and it looks like there's some kind of an arrangement that they have with Cleveland-Cliffs, and I don't know anything about what's happening with their relationship, but it sounds like there's trouble, and the company has cut its distribution. So, yeah, I mean, if you're really interested in taking a look at this, maybe Google it and find out what's happening with Cleveland-Cliffs and Mesabi Trust. Sounds like there's coming to a head regarding something, but the company's not giving any more distributions. So that 23.22% dividend yield is a little bit misleading. It sounds like maybe there's some trouble there with this trust, but yeah, anyways, that's Mesabi Trust. If you're interested in keeping up to date with more of these companies in this list as they change, you can visit my website, peterlynchinvestor.com. I update that site with this list routinely. Also, I have a newsletter there, so if you subscribe to that, I'll update you with what's happening with this Peter Lynch universe as well. Or you can also subscribe to this channel. Thanks very much.